Assalamu alaikum and welcome to free Adobe After Effects animation course. In previous class we talked about how to import assets in After Effects and how to make new composition. In today's class we will talk about what the keyframes are and how to use them for making animations. So let's get started. So keyframes are kind of like visual memory which are used to store the value of property of a layer or a property of the object in the composition. We can see that keyframe as a diamond icon. I will draw a rectangle here and I will show you how the keyframe looks like. So from tools menu you can choose a shape. I choose rectangle and draw rectangle here. You can see the rectangle has been drawn. Now you can choose selection tool, so you can change its position by dragging. From layer menu you can see the shape layer has been added. From this layer you can open this arrow and transform. In transform you can see these stopwatch icons. Any property that has this icon can be animate, and because these stopwatches are used to make keyframes and keyframes are used to make animations. So when you click stopwatch icon, a keyframe has been added. Here you see this diamond icon is a keyframe. This keyframe store the value of this layer or this rectangle at the 0 second, because this keyframe is on 0 second. We can animate this shape by dragging this line to 2 second and change its position. Now this keyframe store the value of the position property on 0 second, and this keyframe store the value of the position property on 2 second. The values are different in different key stores. That's why this rectangle will change its position from 0 to 2 seconds. So you can see when I play this animation, you can see it's changing the position. This is how you can animate any property of the layer by using these stopwatch or these keyframes. When you add a keyframe, when you add the first keyframe and go change the second in timeline and change the value of the property, the next keyframe automatically has been added. You can see this. So this is how we can use the keyframes to make animations. I will add some more keyframes in other properties. So we can use scale to animate. We can increase the scale value. We can change rotation, add keyframe to rotation and change the time and change the value of rotation. So you can, when you play this, you can see the all animations are going on. You can use more than 2 keyframes. Whenever you change the value, the new keyframes is being added. You can use millions of or hundreds of keyframes as you want. So let's go and play it. This is a very simple animation. Keyframe is a very deep topic, but I will just give you the overview and we will talk about this in next class, how to use these keyframes to smooth the animation and how to make more interesting animations by using these keyframes. So see you in the next class.